Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI, and I want to talk to you today about these super fun toys. So this is Mini Fashions, and this actually comes in a 2-pack. So these are pretty cool. They have 5 different things inside. This is series 2 as well. And the thing I really like about this is it comes with really cool designer kind of fashion things that girls love, and they're the size that you're able to use them with Barbies. So it's pretty cool. You get to have them with their wardrobe and accessories. It comes with purses and perfumes and shoes and all different kind of things, scarves, and the fact that it has surprises. Kids love this. It's one of the bonus things. So it also comes with a paper that you're able to check off if you want to collect items. Because this is series 2, it means there's a series 1. So if you're a collector of these as well, it's really cool to keep track. If you just want to have them for your Barbies, if you just want to have them to see the surprises, that's the fun thing about it. There's so many different options. It's really fun. And the reason I like getting the 2-pack is because my daughter is obsessed with these. So it helps me have a little more instead of just having one, and it makes it that much more fun. But that's just my point of view.